Hi everyone, this is the first video of the course and let's find out how to access the free web version of Sketchup. In order to download and install Sketchup on your computer, you will need to purchase a valid license from Sketchup. These are the paid versions, which include many more advanced tools and more import and export capabilities. Fortunately, Sketchup has also provided with a free online version of the software which anyone can use. It has all the basic tools that we might need at this point, and to access the free online version, open a new tab on your browser. I do recommend using Chrome together with Sketchup. It turns out it works much better, and in the address bar just type app.sketchup.com. that's the address, and hit enter. This will bring you to the Trimble login page. Trimble is a cloud service similar to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and what have you. If you have a Trimble account, just go ahead and sign in, or you can create a free Trimble account here, create new Trimble account, or use one of your Google, Apple, or Microsoft accounts for easier login. I'm going to use my Microsoft account. It will go through the verification process, accept all the terms and conditions, and this will bring you to the front page of the SketchUp online version. Trimble Connect, if you have folders, they will show up here. It already created a SketchUp folder for us where we can add more folders and organize our models. Or from the home page, click on the create new drop down button here, create new, and we have different templates for us to start from: architectural, feet and inches, fractional, decimal, inches and feet, decimal, millimeters, centimeters, or meters. I will go ahead and choose the millimeters template, and this will bring us directly into the SketchUp interface. So this is how we log in into the free online version of SketchUp. In the next video, we will navigate through the program interface and start using our basic tools.